Okay. What's up, you guys? So as you just saw, I'm still having some sort of an electrical gremlin in this Honda Nighthawk here. It's right in front of me. I know it's electrical, we're losing spark. We're gonna double check my charging system and replace the stator and go from there and try to figure out what other gremlins there could be in this electrical system. So stay tuned. Cheers. There we go. Okay, I was able to break this rotor bolt free. I just put it in gear, applied the rear brake, and I was able to finally break this free. Alright, we're back on the bike, making sure everything's working as it should. I swear this isn't clickbait, guys. I keep just trying to go on a test ride and something just keeps happening. Replace the stator with the brand new stator. I also cleaned the rotors to make sure those look good. I checked the charging system as you saw and everything looked good there. Hopefully it's the last time it'll die on me. Oops, I gotta slow down, sorry. What's up, dude? Harley rider, shout out to my Harley riders. There's that bridge again. Do a rev bomb. Wow, it sounds so good. I'm like a broken record talking about how good this bike sounds, but so are you guys. Like, you agree, this bike is so freaking, it's just such a beast. This was the road I was talking about. It's just absolutely gorgeous, and we can take the bike on some twisties and really test this new stator system. You guys all voted, and so we're gonna do the GoPro. Obviously, it's not a cheap giveaway, so if you want to be a part of this contest, all you have to do is just click the join button and become a channel member. It's super cheap. It's as low as $3 a month. If you do the medium level, you get a shout out at the end of videos. If you do the top level, the 1000cc level, you get free merch on top of all the other perks. I want to support you guys while you support me, and this just seems like the best thing to do. So I'd really appreciate the support. All it does is fund the content that you enjoy and the giveaways for you guys. The bike is performing great so far. I do not want to jinx myself. Ooh, this thing flies. Oh, goodness. Oh my God, dude, this thing is so fun! Whew. Oh shit. So let's check this out for a sec. Alright. If the bike cools down, I'll be able to get it started back up and get it home. Okay, I know it's seeming like we're taking one step forward and two steps back, but I have figured out what's going on. So I pulled off the spark plug wires and caps because that was kind of the last part of my electrical system that it could be tested for continuity. Did not have it. So I think as the bike got hot,
whatever crack was in either the cap or the wire, as it expanded, that crack would get bigger and then I would lose the continuity. So I got new spark plug wires and caps coming in the mail, and that should be the last thing that could be causing this issue. This is gonna be the end of this video. Next video, I'll have the spark plug wires and caps installed. We'll do a Moto vlog, a full one where the bike doesn't die on me, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. As I mentioned from the poll, you guys all voted for GoPro. So if you want a chance to win the GoPro 9, all you have to do is click the join button and become a channel member. If you love this Nighthawk and you haven't seen all the videos on the build, you should check out the playlist. I'll put it up on the screen. I also put up a playlist on my last build, which was a CM450 Cafe Brat build. And lastly, if I can build a bike, then so can you guys. Cheers.